How often do we ponder the challenges in the healthcare tech industry and wonder how artificial intelligence could revolutionize it? Well, it's not just a hypothetical question, but a reality that's unfolding right before our eyes. Take, for instance, a leading healthcare tech firm in the USA. With a vast organization of over 10,000 employees, they offer an array of services from healthcare insurance to medical devices. But like many in this field, they faced a challenge: how to make their vast reservoirs of medical data more accessible and interactive for users. The solution: a chatbot powered by Google Dialogflow and Neo4j storage connected by nodejs. This bot works as an interface, fielding user queries and linking them to a knowledge graph database. Natural language processing, or NLP, is used to break down complex queries into simpler elements that can be easily searched in the Neo4j database, providing relevant results. However, the development of this chatbot involved a few critical steps. First, Python scripts were created to convert source Excel data into a Neo4j database. Then, Node.js was used to connect this database to the Dialogflow user interface. The final step involved generating ontology to automate data extraction for databases. The result? An interactive chatbot where users can use NLP queries to interact with stored medical data. The project also delivered Python codes and Neo4j queries for different use cases, along with comprehensive documentation and reports related to the tasks. The tools employed in this project were Python, which was used for creating scripts to transfer Excel data into Neo4j storage; Node.js, which served as a backend for connecting storage to Dialogflow frontend using the ngrok tool; and Google Dialogflow, which was used as an interaction platform for the user to process and convert NLP queries into simpler data. So what can we take away from this project? The healthcare tech industry, with its vast databases and complex information, can greatly benefit from the application of AI. Not only does it make data more accessible and interactive for users, but it also automates data extraction, making the process more efficient. In the end, AI doesn't just offer a solution to a challenge. It opens up a world of possibilities for revolutionizing the healthcare tech industry. And this is just the beginning. There are countless more ways AI can be harnessed to bring about even more significant changes in the field. So, let's keep our eyes on the horizon and see what the future holds.